Plant FAQs, Aglaonema chocolate. The allure of the Aglaonema chocolate, a low-maintenance beauty. My apartment isn't exactly bathed in sunlight. Most mornings, the only light that creeps in comes from a sliver of an eastern window. For a while, I resigned myself to a life devoid of houseplants, convinced they all craved sunbeams and wouldn't survive my shadowy dwelling. Then, I stumbled upon the Aglaonema chocolate, and let me tell you, it's been a game-changer. This houseplant isn't just stunning, it thrives in low-light conditions. Its deep, chocolate-colored leaves boast vibrant pinkish-red veins, adding a touch of life to any corner. Intrigued, I brought one home, and let me tell you, it's been a breeze to care for. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. Is Aglaonema chocolate difficult to grow? Absolutely not. This is where the Aglaonema chocolate truly shines. It's perfect for beginners like myself or anyone who doesn't have a lot of natural light in their home. As long as you provide it with the right environment and basic care, your Aglaonema chocolate will reward you with lush, vibrant foliage for years to come. How to care for Aglaonema chocolate? Here's the thing. Keeping your Aglaonema chocolate happy is surprisingly simple. Let's break it down. Light. As mentioned before, this beauty thrives in low to medium indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it near south-facing windows. Watering. Don't drown your plant. The Aglaonema chocolate prefers moist, but not soggy, soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering thoroughly. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, your Aglaonema chocolate will appreciate a humid environment. Grouping it with other plants or placing a pebble tray filled with water near the pot can help increase humidity. Fertilizer. During the spring and summer months, you can give your plant a boost with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month. Beyond the basics, tips for a thriving Aglaonema chocolate. Now that you've mastered the essential care, here are some extra pointers to keep your Aglaonema chocolate flourishing. Temperature. Aim for a consistent temperature range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near cold drafts or air conditioners. Cleaning. Gently wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and allow the plant to breathe properly. Repotting. As your Aglaonema chocolate grows, it may need a larger pot. Repot every 1 to 2 years into a container that's 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter. How to propagate Aglaonema chocolate? Want to spread the leafy love? The good news is, propagating your Aglaonema chocolate is quite easy. You can do this through stem cuttings or division. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few leaves attached. Plant it in a moist potting mix and keep it warm and humid. New growth should appear within a few weeks. Division. When repotting a mature plant, you can carefully divide it into multiple sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and leaves. Pot them up individually and care for them as usual. What to plant with your Aglaonema chocolate? Looking to create a lush, indoor jungle? The Aglaonema chocolate plays well with others. Here are some plant companions that share similar care requirements. ZZ plant. Zamioculca zamifolia, another low-light champion with glossy, deep green foliage. Snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata, a near-indestructible succulent known for its architectural, upright form. Chinese money plant. Pilea peperomioides. This darling little plant features round, coin-shaped leaves and requires minimal care. With its stunning looks and easygoing nature, the Aglaonema chocolate is a true gem for any plant lover. So, ditch the myth that low-light spaces can't be adorned with greenery. This little chocolate wonder is all you need to bring a touch of life and vibrancy to your home, regardless of how much sunshine peeks through your window.